learning English speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all. Of course, here's a conversation describing Ashley's situation when she goes to the golf club to ask about the cost of entry and other information. Ashley enters the golf club and heads to the front desk. Hi, can I get some information about the cost of joining this club and any additional services available? Receptionist smiles, sure. We are happy to have you here. We have several options for joining the golf club. There is a monthly subscription that costs $200 and an annual subscription that costs $2,000. You can also sign up for golf training courses if you wish. Ashley, thank you. Are there any discounts for new members or existing members? Receptionist, yes, we have a special offer for new members. If you decide to join as a new member today, you will receive a 10% discount on the cost of your annual subscription. Ashley, that's awesome. Can I also view the schedule of activities and events offered by the club? Receptionist, of course, we have a diverse schedule of activities and events here at the club. You can get a copy of the current schedule from this brochure. We offer training courses for beginners and professional players, as well as weekly competitions and social events. Ashley, awesome. Can I also find out more about the club facilities? Is there a restaurant or lounge here? Receptionist, yes, we have great facilities here at the club. We have a restaurant serving delicious and healthy dishes, as well as a comfortable lounge where you can unwind and enjoy drinks and snacks after your round of golf. Ashley, excellent. I am very interested. Can I get more information about how to join and when I can start using membership? Receptionist, of course, you can join right away if you're ready. I will provide you with a joining form and explain all the details. Once you are a member, you can start making use of all the club facilities and participate in activities and events. Ashley, thank you. I am excited to join the club and start improving my golf skills.